Toocki 100W USB Type-C to USB-C cable PD fast charging charger Type-C wire cord. Toocki 100W USB Type-C to USB-C cable PD fast charging charger Type-C wire cord for Macbook. Samsung Xiaomi USB-C cable 1M 2M 3M review. The Toocki 100W USB Type-C to USB-C cable is a high-quality, durable cable that is perfect for charging your devices quickly and efficiently. It is made of durable nylon braided material and has a 24K gold-plated connector, which ensures that it will last for a long time. The cable supports up to 100W of power delivery, so you can quickly charge your laptop or other devices. It also supports the USBC power delivery protocol, which allows you to charge your devices at faster speeds. The Toocki 100W USB Type-C to USB-C cable is compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, smartphones, tablets, and more. It is also backward compatible with older USB-C devices. The cable comes in a variety of lengths, so you can choose the one that is best for your needs. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Toocki 100W USB Type-C to USB-C cable. Pros. Durable nylon braided material. 24K gold-plated connector. Supports up to 100W of power delivery. Supports the USB-C power delivery protocol. Compatible with a wide range of devices. Available in a variety of lengths. Cons. May be too expensive for some users. Overall, the Toocki 100W USB Type-C to USB-C cable is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, durable cable that can charge their devices quickly and efficiently. It is compatible with a wide range of devices and comes in a variety of lengths.